So my main takeaways today were quite how diverse the SME marketplace is, and how some of the risks that our SME customers are facing are the traditional ones that we always expect and are quite expert in managing, even though we might do it in a slightly complicated way. But there are also so many new and emerging risks for SMEs that we need to find better solutions for. Trying to blend those two, the traditional insurance and what we've done for hundreds of years, and the new, is a real challenge for us as an industry, and having some ideas about how to improve that was a great takeaway.
He's informative, and I like the way that he's breaking it down into little extracts of information. So I'm finding it quite useful. I'm a broker, but I'm an SME broker as well. So the space is for me, as well as the cyber, which I'm quite interested in.
But the reason why cyber was really invented was for these .com businesses who had no real physical assets or high street presence. In fact, their business relied solely upon data. It was a virtual business. If their systems went down, they could no longer trade, and there wasn't an insurance product to cover that. So the property policies missed areas of cover, so they're all about physical damage, the business interruption. Policies wouldn't be triggered if there was a virus or a hack. So that's where these policies started, and obviously .com boom became .com bust, and cyber kind of tailed off with it, and we wrote the internet off as a fad, so it'll never take off. But slowly but surely and quietly, technology crept up on us, and over the last 15 years, we've experienced what can only be described as a technology revolution.
The great part about the event was the variety of views we had. I mean, from various parts of the broking industry, as well as different underwriters and different insurers with different specialisms, and the variety of perspectives that we get was really good to get that feedback. And it really does generate some ideas and some insights for some new approaches or new challenges that we might take back and do things differently going forwards. Fundamentally, the networking part is a key for me. It's a really important aspect. We get a few industry events where we can talk, but normally it's a little bit less around some detailed content like we have today, and more some general industry dynamics. This was some specific issues and some specific opportunities to really network and meet people who are experts in their field. It was very useful.
I think it's two things. Firstly, it's kind of in the name for us, Broker Network. It's all about networking. Providing a environment for small, medium-sized entrepreneurial brokers to get together and interact with us and with insurers. And secondly, it's about the health of the SME market in the UK and the role that brokers and the advice that they give continues to support and dominate the arrangement of insurance in SMEs.